everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha. Today I'll be making delicious Cajun chicken. It is so soft and juicy and you have to definitely try this recipe. I've made a special sauce with Cajun chicken which you can also use it in wraps, burgers or by itself as well. It is a low carb, high protein dinner with a healthy sauce on the side. So you have to definitely watch this video till the end. First take 3 chicken Maryland pieces and put cuts on all sides. Then add basic spices which are easily available in your pantry like salt, black pepper crushed, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, red chili crushed, oregano, cayenne pepper, lemon juice and oil. All the quantities are mentioned at the top so you can easily follow it. Then massage the spices on the chicken till they are completely marinated and leave them aside for 15 minutes to rest. You can use boneless chicken here as well if you are making it for wraps or burgers. Just make sure to use hands to marinate the spices well so they are evenly marinated. I'm using air fryer for this recipe, but you can also fry it on a pan if you like to. Add the chicken pieces in the air fryer and put them at 200 degrees for 25 minutes while turning its side in between. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the special sauce. In a bowl, take yogurt, salt, pepper, paprika, cumin powder, red chili sauce and lemon juice. You can use sriracha sauce here as well instead of red chili sauce. Now mix it together and your delicious sauce is ready. It is the healthiest sauce as it has no mayonnaise in it and you can easily use it in your wraps, burgers and save it in the fridge for later use as well. When the chicken is ready, serve it with delicious sauce and salad on the side and you won't believe it that in just 25 minutes you have made this a special low carb, high protein Cajun chicken which you have to definitely try it. It is perfectly cooked from inside and is so juicy and tasty. Enjoy it with the sauce and let me know in the comments below how you like it.